Hey everyone, it's Liv from NurseLuxe. I am so excited to be here today to bring you another unboxing video for January. I can't believe it's January. Happy 2019, everyone. Hopefully your new year has gone super well, and I wish you all the best in 2019. Without further ado, let's get into the unboxing, shall we? Oh, and by the way, I am on day 3 hair right now, and no dry shampoo in the world could fix it, so I'm wearing the hat from the Messy Bun box. So the first thing I see, you know the drill. We have the 2 pieces of paper, we have the letter with some information on it, and then we have the About This Box card, and it has all of the product information. And this month's theme is, drumroll please, make time for lunch. Here at NurseLuxe, we know how often you are eating lunch on the fly or skipping lunch altogether, and you might not have the chance to decompress during a long shift. So we wanted to make this box to make sure that we help you with that and help you to make some healthy choices. So the first thing that catches my eye in the box is this bento box from Takanaka. This bento box is like a lunch box, and it's microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and BPA free. I'm going to open it up and kind of show you what it looks like. It is just so elegant. It is so classic looking. It is extremely well designed as well. So when you open it up, there are a bunch of different compartments. So you have this compartment with a lid that is going to keep your food fresh. And there is also a lower compartment, so this is great for keeping food fresh and healthy, and it's awesome for portion control as well. And you just seal it up. It also comes with this little orange elastic so that you can just put that around and nothing is going to spill out all over your bag, right? So this is a great way to keep things fresh and delicious for your lunchtime. And to put the bento box in, we have this everyday reusable tote bag from Rumi. This thing is so awesome. It folds up to this size, it's itty bitty, and it holds up to 50 pounds, so you can pack a bunch of stuff in there, and it's machine washable too. So if it was feeling dirty, or if you spilled something in it, you could easily just pop it in the wash, and it's super convenient. So it has this handy dandy little Velcro strap here, and you just unfasten it. And another awesome thing about this is it folds up super easily. All you have to do is fold it in half this way, and then you fold the 2 sides in, like so. And then you fold the straps in. And then you roll it up Marie Kondo style. And then you just take the Velcro straps. And voila, something that holds 50 pounds can be held in the palm of your hand. It easily folds it up at the end of the day, or if you wanted to throw it in your purse or whatever. It is, oh, I'm not coordinated. It is a great little tote bag for all of your lunchtime needs. Sometimes your shift is just too hectic to take a lunch break, and when that happens, you can at least reach for a healthy snack. So we packed in the box this 88 Acres double chocolate mocha seed bar. It is nut-free, gluten-free, non-GMO. It has an excellent blend of seeds and such incredible ingredients, and is sure to keep you energized throughout the day. So when you can't take a break, just reach for this bar. We got you covered. I'm gonna try it. This is the real test. It's really tasty too. I'm not joking with you, because you know how some bars are not great? This is really, really tasty. Remember the cute little notes from your parent that you used to get in your lunchbox? Well, we have these little thanks for nurses cards. So when you don't have time to sit with your coworkers and bond with them, you can let them know that you really appreciate them through giving them one of these cards. And they are so adorable. One really, really cool thing about this brand is that it was created for nurses by a nurse. So they are really just so thoughtful. I'm going to read you a few of these cards. At the top here it says Dear Blank, which gives you the opportunity to fill out a name, a message in between, a from, and then a date. So this one says, Dear Blank, Thank you for openly and patiently sharing your valuable knowledge with me today. Your kindness and support mean the world to me. I am so grateful to have you as a positive role model and mentor. This one says, Dear Blank, thank you for your help today on such a hectic shift. There must be a full moon somewhere. I am so grateful and lucky to have you as a coworker. And then there are also customizable ones. So there's the Dear Blank, and then there are a couple lines in between so you can write your own letter. These cards from Little Thanks are so adorable. Can you imagine finding one of these during the day? It would just lift your spirits so much. These would help boost morale, and they're just a great way to show someone that you care. So use these up. And last but certainly not least, we have this book. It is called Beating the Lunchbox Blues. It is from Rachel Ray Books, and it's by J.M. Hirsch. And there are so many different ideas for lunches in here. This is so awesome, and this can help you get inspired to pack your lunches. And a lot of these are bento box friendly, so these can fit right in the bento box. I'm gonna go through and show you some of these. And there's everything in here. There's a 2-minute stir fry, so when you really don't have time and you're feeling exhausted in the morning or at night, you can just whip up a 2-minute stir fry. There is sushi in here, crepes on the go, and it says on the back, busy people need lunch ideas, lots of them, and those ideas need to be healthy, fast, easy, affordable, and delicious, and this book has you covered. We all know that nurses are busy, so this is the book for you to get some inspiration for lunch that is quick and healthy and easy. That is it for this month's box. Thank you so much for watching. We hope that this box really helps you get through your lunch break. We know how busy you are, so whether you are trying to get inspired or want to thank your coworkers or eating on the fly, this is a great box for you, and we hope it helps you through your lunch break. So thanks so much for watching. Stay sane, stay gorgeous, stay healthy, and keep on nursing. Bye.